Yeah. We'll do some settings, more settings, and then we'll move on to creating a material master. Field selection and fields to field selection groups. 996. No. Define industry sectors, industry specific field selection, manufacturing industry for help and for FERT. Okay. Manufacturing industry. Okay. Fair enough. Plant specific field selection. Our plant is okay. New entries. Um, oh, it doesn't have any list. There seems to be an error, but let me SPRO. C10. From here, I can go to traverse to the configuration node directly without going through that tree. Purchase organization to company code. BB, BBPG. Okay. And BB, blue box packaging. Enter, save, save. Okay. So our is company code. Okay. Next comes to plant. BBRL. Okay. BBPG. BBPG. Okay. Let's check logistics and plant to company code. BBPG and BBPG. Okay. This is done. Sales distribution, setup sales area. BBPG is not there. Okay. BBPG. What was our distribution? Ideas, no values. 256 entries found, but we cannot see the list. Okay, assign division to sales org. BBPG. Mhm. definition, sales, division, define division, BB, product name blue box packaging, BP. Okay. Um, assign distribution channel, assign division to sales org, BVPG, BP. Okay, assign distribution channel. Distribution channel. BB, BP. Okay, it's the same. Fair enough. Sorry. PG and VVPG, it's already same. Set up the sales area. PG, BP, BP. Okay, BBPG distribution channel is BPM, plant is BBPG. Okay, it's also done. Now, logistics, material master, basic settings, global settings. Types, DE, follow-up material, planning material. Okay. These are all by default, so I'm not actually going to touch this. Uh, company codes for material management maintenance, BVPG. Okay, 11th is the period and it should be 12. Allow back posting, disallow back posting. Okay, allow back posting means you can post material document in the previous period. So usually now this is the current period 12th and previous period, previous month was 11th and previous year's last month was 12. When it will change in the next step in the next month, it will become 20, 25 and 01. Okay, now this is done. Attributes, we have already done this. Let's check. ROH, material type, quantity value updating, position, BBPG, valuation area is always a plant. Value updating, quantity updating is already configured. Okay, now comes help semi-finished good. Okay, position, BBPG, BBPG, and save. This is saved. Okay, this is also done. Port, finish good. Enter UPG, quantity and value. Whenever a material document will be entered, quantity will be updated and value will be updated as well. Okay, now comes packaging. But we don't need packaging right now. But anyways, now that's done. Define number ranges for material type. Change groups. Okay, let's see ROH. ROH. Raw material. ROH. Page up. Okay, it will ROH will have 04 as the series. Okay. For example, this is non-assigned elements, mobile zone, assigned element to group. Now, these are the many groups. XC, number range for Avon, semi-finished, and we can assign it over there. Okay, it will be assigned to that number range. Now, where are the number ranges? Here are the number ranges. Okay. These are the number ranges available to us. 04 is starting from 1000 to this many. And right now, this is the current status of the material. Okay, this is done. Key fields, material groups, and we have, uh, okay, packaging items, BB, ROH group, trading items. We don't have any for BBPG. Okay, let's make one. BBPG. Packaging, BBPG. Authorization group is not needed because this is only needed when we have to restrict this group to a certain segment of users. Default unit of weight, will keep it empty. Okay, BBPG is our material group. Okay, material external divisions, statuses. Status is immediate requirement, immediate blocked for procurement, blocked for procurement, blocked for task list. Now, these are status, but by default, these have been provided by SAP. Okay, basic settings, key fields. Let's move to the next part, materials management, general settings. Material lock, we don't need a material lock right now. Define organization priorities, assign plants and storage locations. Packaging, storage location is Sharjah. Okay, fair enough. Okay, priority will be 1. Sorry. Operating forces. Mhm. Basic organization supporting 5 others. Okay, save. Save. Okay. Now, basically, what we have done, basically, what priority do we want to give to our plant, whether it is high priority or lowest priority? I've given lowest because we already have one, so it doesn't make a difference whether it is highest or lowest. Inventory management and physical inventory. Field setting for goods movement, initial header screens. Okay. Now, we have the option to make material fields either required or for display, or it can be hidden or highlighted. Okay, some can be highlighted as well as per the process. Now, the process from client to client will differ. Okay, now all of these are input fields. Okay, so we'll just keep it as it is. A setting for goods movement for MIGO field selection. What fields do we need for MIGO? We should actually have an understanding for this. Okay. Deletion, delivery completed indicator, that is an input, that is a checkbox basically. Then we have base unit of measure, again, that's an input. And whenever we are doing goods receipt, these are the fields that we'll see. We can also make them hidden if we believe, or if, and some of these are hidden as a goods receipt issue slip. Okay, so we can toggle between the field selection per movement type. Okay, that's done. Goods issue transfer posting creates storage location automatically. Create storage location automatically. Movement type. Now, these are the movement types. Now, movement types in MM basically are the processes. For example, this is 201, which is goods issue for cost center. Okay. Goods issue for project. Okay. And receipt for sales order. Issue, receipt. That's how movements are basically done. And again, we have transfers as well. Okay, set manual accounting assignment. Account control. Okay, it's already empty by default, so we are not going to touch it. Okay, good receipt settings, set tolerance limits, create storage locations automatically, create purchase orders automatically, automatic PO, GR good receipt, which is happening when the GRN is basically made. Okay, so PO will be generated as well. Okay. Uh, uh, Price difference for subcontracting, active storage of incoming documents, for receipt, valuation account assignment, split valuation of retail, configure price change, valuation with the material ledger, lowest value LIFO FIFO methods, LIFO valuation areas, base year 1994, LIFO valuation level is 0001, which is again standard configure tools for LIFO. Pool, we can have different pool for various material groups, basically. Again, we have a base unit of measure, which is pieces. Okay. Define kind of automatic assignment of material to pool. We don't need that. Okay, let's go to FIFO. First in, first out, configure FIFO valuation areas. Again, base here is the same. All right. Logistics invoice verification. Just tax jurisdiction, we'll see that when we create a vendor. Incoming invoice, tax treatment invoice reduction. Company code BBPG, new entries. BBPG. Great. Original document in complaint document. By default, it is complaint document. The taxes, of course, can get changed. That's why it's not an original document. Okay. Save. So the taxes can actually reduce the amount of the invoice from the vendor's amount, okay, for income taxes. Maintain reasons for invoice reduction. There are no reasons, new entries. Reporting taxes, reduction of vendor. Okay, save. So if we have withholding taxes that are reducing vendor amounts, then we can, of course, give a reason for that. Maintain default values for tax codes. PG, we have PG. Default values, taxes. This is a step, a necessary step. So we don't need taxes to be hard coded over here. So we'll just save it as blank. So it's open for taxes, tax codes when these are levied for the time of at the time of invoice or at the time of delivery. Okay. Open parking, activate waffle template, release criteria. Anyways, let's keep it over here for today.